Gatsby Glass is a premium glass installation and design franchise serving residential and commercial clients with custom glass solutions. The brand specializes in high-quality glass products and advanced design technology that support modern renovation and construction projects. Franchise owners operate a service-based business providing glass design consultation, sales, and installation for projects such as shower enclosures, partitions, mirrors, and specialty glass features. Owners manage sales, project coordination, customer relationships, and local partnerships while following established brand systems and service standards. Revenue is generated through design-driven installations, high-value glass projects, and ongoing service relationships with residential and commercial clients. The model supports strong project-based revenue, repeat business, and scalable growth. Franchisees benefit from centralized marketing support, lead generation, vendor relationships, and operational systems designed for consistent performance. This is an owner-operated service franchise supported by structured onboarding, in-person training, and ongoing coaching. Franchise owners receive support with business setup, sales systems, marketing, and continued guidance from the Gatsby Glass support team. The initial total investment is $195,691. Inside the full info pack, you will see what other owners are typically earning and insights into the day-to-day operations of this business. Add Gatsby Glass to your top picks and request the info pack today.